They say you can officially call yourself an expert after doing something for 10,000 hours. Honestly, it makes me a little uncomfortable to call myself a Premiere Pro expert, especially in this setting, but based on my best estimations, I've spent over 11,000 hours editing videos in Premiere Pro. So let me back up and explain how I got here. Hi, I'm Kara, and this is my husband, Nate.
In January of 2016, we quit our jobs, put everything we owned in storage, and booked a one-way flight to Japan, which was supposed to be the start of our one-year trip around the world. This is something we had dreamed of doing for years, but one day we realized there was never going to be the perfect time to quit everything and go travel for a year. So we decided before starting a family or careers got too serious, we should just choose a date and go.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard.
That decision to book the tickets and go was the best decision we have ever made.
The second best decision we ever made was picking up a camera and documenting the journey.
Are we recording? Little did we know those two decisions would completely change the course of our lives. What started as a one-year trip around the world turned into 6 years of full-time travel. Now we've been to 100 countries and we've spent over a year exploring the US in our converted Sprinter van. And the best part is we've been able to share the entire journey with our incredible community on YouTube. So much about our lives have changed over the last 6 years, but there has been one constant, and that's that we have edited every single one of our 800 videos using Premiere Pro. And when I say we, I really mean Kara, because she's the editor in the relationship, so I'm gonna let her take it from here.
Let me start this by saying where we are today did not happen overnight. I am completely self-taught and I had no idea what I was doing in the beginning. Our whole first year of travel, we made daily videos on YouTube. What were we thinking? But I'm so glad we did. We would run around with our little point and shoot camera all day, and then every night we'd go back to the hotel, I would transfer the footage into Premiere, make a few little cuts here and there, and add a super obnoxious song. An entire video would only take me about 3 to 5 hours to make, and it was all super intuitive. I was making the most basic edits. But now we put a lot more effort into a single weekly video that takes between 30 and 40 hours to edit. So while the timelines in our early videos were super simple, 1 track for video, 1 track for audio, boom, done. After around 11,000 hours of practice, our projects look a little more like this. Multiple folders and sequences, all this video, music, sound effects, color correcting, animation, titles, captions, transitions, graphics, markers, etc. So as we've progressed as filmmakers and as I've grown as an editor, Premiere has grown right with us. That's the Cliff Notes version of our journey the last 6 years, and we can honestly say we would not be here if it weren't for Adobe. They enabled us to share our journey, and that has completely changed our lives. Before we left to travel, I was a preschool teacher and had 0 editing experience.
We look the part, but we have no clue what we're doing.
So if I can teach myself, anyone can. It is a massive honor to be a part of this film. Thank you for watching.